carpet cleaning, do flood and restoration work. Show you guys what we do. We come out, pull the padding, extract the water. This one doesn't look too bad. Get it done. Come through here. Try to be, give us a call. We got dehumidifiers and blowers. Help the carpets dry. Then we come through here. Get it dry, pull the padding, extract the carpet, treat it for mold and mildew. So we gotta do this little area. This is done, looking a lot better. And this is where I came through. Alright. See if I can show you guys what we got going on here. Oh yeah, that'll work. Got high-powered truck mount equipment. Really extracts this water out. And we are going to close the padding. Probably extract some of the water out of the padding first. So it'll be a little bit later when we throw it away, and then we'll be able to replace it after we clean the concrete and disinfect and deodorize. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, when it's bad like this, you really got to replace the padding. Unless you want to take a couple days to dry. But this way I'll have it dry within 24 hours. Alright, did this room over here, and I'll tell you what, I just felt the carpets. It's dry. I can't believe it. I mean, this whole place was flooded. So we're going to put some new padding in, disinfect the deodorize, kick the carpets, and we'll be good to go. Like I said, give us a call, White Glove Carpet Cleaning. Thank you very much.